Hello and welcome back to our video series on finding the best way for you to make money online. The topic we will cover in this video is to help you discover what makes the best internet business strategies successful. This is where we will start putting the pieces together and discuss the following. What core essentials are needed to build a successful online business? The power of email marketing and the importance of keeping things simple to avoid overwhelm. This lesson is built upon the system and tool we developed in our last two videos. So please be sure to understand and have applied what we discussed previously in day 2 and day 3 videos. Today won't make much sense otherwise. I included the links to the videos in the email if you need to review them. So with that said, I will assume you first reviewed the list of various ways to make money online. Second, you've done a Google search on ways to make money online to discover an expanded list. And also, you used the 3 categories and the decision-making filters to narrow down your focus on picking an online business model for you. The expectation is that tomorrow you will be prepared to make your decision. But first today, we have a bit more training so that you can make an informed decision. We still have a few more insights to share with you that are valuable to this process. We briefly touched on the importance of email marketing. This is the backbone of all internet marketing. Seriously, I cannot stress enough how important this is. The key is to build a list of buyers by building a tribe of loyal followers. I always thought, as many people do, that all it takes is a big list of subscribers to make a lot of money online. This is not true. Instead, you can build a fairly small list of followers that are buyers who are willing and able to purchase high-ticket items. These fanatic fans or advocates, whatever you want to call them, can produce life-changing income for you. I'm sure by now you've probably heard of what is called know, like, and trust factor. Well, it's true. The reason most marketers need a big list to make any significant money online is because they do not have the know, like, and trust factor. They have not built their tribe of loyal followers. People first need to know you, then like you, before they will trust you, and then they will buy from you. Okay, back to email marketing. While I am new to online marketing, relatively speaking, my partner Dave has been at this for 13 years, and he says he does not know a single highly successful internet marketer that has not mastered email marketing. Why? Because it works. And do not let anyone tell you that email marketing is dead. It's baloney. It's simply not true. The data is overwhelming to support this claim. Think about it. How are you getting this e-course? Email marketing, right? All right, so we're on our way to building know, like, and trust with each other. Hopefully you will become a part of our tribe as a result. You are experiencing how it works. Effectively, you are your own case study. Okay, now that we have that established, what else do we need to do to make our internet business strategy successful? Here are a few of the essentials. Number 1, what we just mentioned, email marketing. We need quality traffic. This is the single hardest area for most people to conquer. How do you get buyers to see your offers? You absolutely must learn how to drive quality buyer traffic. Marketing automation platform or software. We happen to prefer Kartra, but there are several good ones. For example, ClickFunnels, GrooveFunnels, ActiveCampaign, etc. This is critical to getting conversions. Once you have quality traffic coming to your landing page, you need an automated way for efficiency and scaling to follow up with them. A website. Maybe yes, maybe no. It really all depends on your business model. It can definitely help with your online branding and building your KLT or know, like, and trust. But many successful marketers do not depend on having a website. Most do, but it may not be a critical part of making money online for you. So do not make this a stumbling block and get in the way of your getting in the market. Social media presence. Again, maybe. This can be a huge resource of quality traffic, but maybe more as an advertiser versus your own branding. Again, don't let this stop you from moving forward. A product or a service? It depends. One of the very best ways to make great money online is affiliate marketing. You simply sell other people's products and services and get paid a commission. But other than affiliate marketing, you need a product or service to sell. I much prefer digital information products because the costs are low and profits can be very high. And they are much easier to deal with as far as refunds and without the hassle of having a physical product, mailing cost, inventory cost, etc. Finally, don't get overwhelmed. Once you decide on what type of online business you're going to build, more on that tomorrow in the next video, then you can nail down the things you need to make your business model work. And you start simple and then add more elements as you need to for scaling. In the beginning, don't overcomplicate things. This is very important. You now have the core building blocks needed to make your decision about what online business model is best for you. Here's where you are. You've developed a list of your choices. You can categorize them and then filter them down to select a few. You know the essential things that you will need to be successful. So as far as taking action, to be fully ready tomorrow to make your choice for your successful online business model and strategy, do this right now. Go back carefully through steps 1 through 3 videos and think about what you've learned. Then carefully use the decision-making filters to determine your top 3 choices. Now things will get exciting. Tomorrow I'm going to guide you through the final step of the process to make your decision about the best online business model for you. By the way, I'm so proud that you've made it this far and I appreciate you hanging in there with me. You are only 2 steps away from super success and potentially realizing your dreams.